Alright, so here we have two filters. My jet ski one, it's not that bad. And sorry for the bright light. And this is my Jeep. Right? I could just really buy a filter, but I am going to try to clean this with the K&N filter, clean it and treat it the correct way. Obviously, I'm 30 plus years old, and it seems since I've been messing with cars, I've been doing it wrong. Here's the kit that I got. Comes with the oil and the cleaner. So let's try this. I'm gonna keep you guys posted. I'm gonna spray this on. Here's how they look now. You have to let them air dry, and you can't use any high pressure water source to clean them. I let them dry overnight. I'm gonna wait probably till after work. I want the sun to hit them, but it seems dry. This one was in terrible condition. Extremely dirty, and as you can see now, nice and clean. So this works. You have to do this every, I think they said something like 30,000 miles. I really neglected this for a couple years, so yeah.